In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your canvas at any point while working in Canva. Whether you're crafting a presentation, a social media post, or any other design, resizing your canvas effectively can make all the difference. This is particularly important if you're aiming to optimize your design for various platforms or specific needs. First things first, it's important to note that this feature is exclusive to Canva Pro users, so you'll need to have access to this premium option before proceeding. Now, once you have your design open in Canva, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll find the Resize button. It's conveniently positioned to ensure you can alter the dimensions of your canvas effortlessly whenever the need arises. Clicking on this Resize button reveals a range of options. Canva, in its user-friendly manner, provides suggested sizes that are based on the common dimensions frequently used across various platforms. If you're looking to make a quick adjustment, you can easily select one of these suggested sizes. This option is fantastic for ensuring that your design fits perfectly within popular dimensions, saving you time and allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects. However, if you have a specific size in mind, don't worry, Canva caters to this need too. Simply opt for the custom size option. This is particularly useful if your project demands exact dimensions that aren't available among the presets. When you choose to customize, you can manually enter your desired width and height. Consider this as your opportunity to dictate the exact parameters of your design, offering you complete control over your layout. This level of customization ensures that your design meets your precise specifications without having to settle for a one-size-fits-all approach. After you've entered your ideal measurements, simply hit the Resize this design button. And that's it. Your canvas will adjust to the new specifications immediately. It's worth noting, though, that resizing may sometimes lead to necessary adjustments within your design elements to ensure everything looks coherent. Depending on the complexity of your design, you might want to double-check elements after resizing to make sure they align properly and maintain the aesthetic you're aiming for. Effectively using Canva's resizing tool can not only enhance the efficiency of your workflow, but also maximize your creative potential. With just a few clicks, you can adapt your projects to suit various platforms, guaranteeing that your designs look polished and professional no matter the size. If you followed along, I hope you found this process straightforward and helpful in enhancing your design capabilities in Canva. Remember to explore other advanced features available in Canva Pro to fully leverage the creative power at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!